How do you find the surface area of a prism? Basically, you just have to find the area of each face and add it up. It's really important to make sure that you stay organized, though. If you don't stay organized, you're going to get confused about what you've already found. So let's take a look at this prism right here. The first part I notice is that the bottom, and how do we find the area of that bottom face? It would be 8 times 2. So that would give us an area of 16 inches squared for the bottom. Now, the top part is actually a twin to what the bottom is, and that's the great thing about prisms. Once you find one face, you actually know one other face. So the top is exactly the same as the bottom, so it's 8 times 2, and that'll give us an area of 16 inches squared also. Then you just choose another face that you haven't done yet. So I noticed that the right one right there is set up by 2 inches by 4 inches. So 2 times 4 is 8 inches squared. We've got the twin effect going on again. So over here on the left side, I know that that's exactly the same. And so since the right side has an area of 8 inches squared, then the left one's going to be 8 inches squared. So I don't even worry about, calculating 2 times 4. I know it's the same area. Again, it's really nice. What's left? Well, I notice that I have the front face and the back face. So the front is 8 inches by 4 inches. So 8 times 4 is 32 inches squared. The back would be exactly the same, so 32 inches squared. So there you have it. We've got all 6 faces calculated as far as the area. Now we just need to go through and add up all of them. So here's 16 plus 16, that'd be the top and bottom. 8 plus 8 would be the left and right. The front would be 32 and the back would be 32. Add up all 6 areas and you see that we've got 112 inches squared. Real quick recap of this. Make sure you stay organized. You've got to make some notes. You either need to make your notations right on the drawing itself or off to the side in a very organized manner that you can see and not be confused about. The other thing is make sure that you know that twin effect. If you know the bottom, then obviously you know the top. If you know the left side, then you know the right side. The same with the front and back. And again, that goes a long way to helping you when you need to stay organized because it can reduce the amount of workspace you need. Third thing, the units are always squared. This is area, it's not volume, so it's going to be to the second power. Anytime you see the word area, it's going to be a squared unit.